see, today we are going to be looking at how we are going to transform a old chair to a new chair. So let's go, guys. Enjoy as you watch. As you can see, guys, first of all, we are going to cut out the sitting area of the chair from the foam and the back rest from the foam. We're going to cut out this shape from the foam, and later we'll attach it with a glue. Okay, so keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, this is the foam. I actually did this one for us to cover up the part that is a little bit deep. So I'm going to be attaching this one on it first, but later on I will be cutting out the other shape to cover it. Okay, we need to cover up the other foam that we had attached earlier on. You're going to be attaching this one to it. So I'll be applying my comb to it. So we've done with the sitting area. Now we are going to be doing the backrest. Okay. First of all, what I did, I had to cut out the shape of the backrest using the carbon board. Okay, we've done with the cutting, and we're going to be placing it directly to the chair by using the comb. Now we are going to be applying the fabric to cover it. So we're going to be making use of this fabric, but first of all, we are going to cut out the shapes of the chair, the sitting area and the backrest. So we will be taking the measurement and we'll cut it out. Then we'll be placing it by applying the glue. So we are going to be using this stapler to attach the fabric to the chair. Now, as you can see, we're done with the sitting area. So we are going to be covering up the backrest. So we're going to be applying the same fabric to it. As you can see, we're almost done with the chair. As you can see, we're done with the covering of the chair, the fabric. So what is left now is for us to be putting the design that we intend to put on the chair. You can see that the chair has already transformed. So it's something that you can make at home. There's no point throwing away any of your used items. You won't believe that what the materials are actually purchased for this furniture is less than 10 euros. So you and I will agree that getting this one from a furniture shop is going to cost us more than 10 euros. Once you are watching, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button for you to be aware of any video I'll be uploading. So we've done with this one. Now we're going to be applying our little bit of accessories to make it beautiful. Now I'm going to be screwing this nail. I'm going to be adding another design by scrolling the nails into the chair like this. Okay, as you can see, we've done with this the screwing of the nail. Now we're going to be applying these crystals, plastic stones to the opening, just to give it a little bit of design, beauty. Okay, so we're doing that now. So I'm going to be following down there, just dropping it a little bit down. So actually we're going to allow this to dry. As you can see, we've done with the design. I know you agree with me that this is a very great transformation, something that is being done from home using just material that is less than 10 euros. Just encouraging you guys to learn how to do something with your used items at home by turning them to a new one. We shall be updating more of similar videos that you can learn from. Now we are going to be covering up part of the handles like this. Let's go. So these are the cut out foams that we're going to be using to do the handles. So what we're going to be doing now, we attach it to the handles of the the chair, and later on we apply the fabric. Okay. So we're going to be applying the gum to it. Put it at the base, at the bottom of the. Okay, we're going to be applying this one directly to the handle. Leave it a little bit to get dry. We'll do it on both sides. So we are going to be placing these two foam on the handles. So we're going to be applying the gum again. And this time it's going to be both on the foam and on the cardboard that we place underneath the handle. Leave it a little bit to dry. So we're doing that on both sides. Then we're going to be placing this one on top like this, and you fold it underneath. So we're going to be applying the foam as well. Now we're going to be covering this handle with the fabric. So after this, we'll be done with the chair. As you can see, we are done. You can see we are already done. Need to be updated with any of my new videos. Don't forget to leave a comment on my comment box concerning this video and box. Questions and advice are welcome in my comment box. Thank you. God bless you. See you in my next video. As you can see, we are done with the chair. I hope you like it. If you actually learned something from this YouTube channel, and if you guys want to know how I made the table stool, you can check the next video. Bye guys, see you, love you guys.